The results of significant advancements in AI and robotics are fascinating. What about the healthcare sector, though? Will the development of artificial intelligence also revolutionize medical treatment? In that case, how? Watch the video to learn how female humanoid robots want to revolutionize the healthcare sector. Recent developments in robotics and artificial intelligence hold enormous potential for revolutionizing a variety of medical fields. By automating and improving a wide range of jobs, from directly caring for patients to mass-producing pharmaceuticals, AI and robots have the potential to revolutionize the way healthcare is provided. A number of significant tech firms have already placed bets on how AI and robotics can improve the healthcare sector. For instance, Google is collaborating with the Healthcare Delivery Network to develop predictive modeling tools. The application of AI and robotics is likely to succeed and significantly alter the healthcare industry because there are so many cutting-edge enterprises competing in this field. The female humanoid robots that are being developed to aid in times of pandemics like COVID are one such example. The Hong Kong team behind the well-known humanoid robot Sophia is now releasing a brand new model dubbed Grace, in order to communicate with the elderly and those who are alone as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Grace is geared towards the healthcare industry. Grace is a brown-haired Asian woman who wears her hair down to her collar. She has a thermal camera in her chest that can take your temperature and gauge how responsive you are, and she is dressed in a blue nurse's uniform. She employs artificial intelligence to diagnose patients and is trilingual in English, Mandarin, and Cantonese. Grace said to Reuters as she sat next to Sophia, the sister she created, in the Hong Kong factory of Hanson Robotics, "I can talk to people and make their day better by giving them social stimulation. I can also give bio readings, do talk therapy, and support medical professionals." Grace's capacity to connect with people and appear like a healthcare professional, according to the company's founder David Hanson, is intended to lessen the strain on frontline medical employees during the epidemic. "We are predisposed for face-to-face encounters with other people, so having a human-like appearance aids in establishing trust and encouraging natural engagement," according to Hanson. He explained that Grace has a friendly appearance similar to anime characters, which frequently blend Asian and Western styles, and can imitate the movement of more than 48 key facial muscles. Awakening Health intends to mass-produce a beta version of Grace, according to David Lake, CEO of the joint venture between Hanson Robotics and Singularity Studio, in locations including Hong Kong, mainland China, Japan, and Korea. Grace will be completely deployed. Hanson added that the price will decrease once the company is producing tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of robots. Currently, the cost of building a robot is comparable to that of a high-end automobile. The coronavirus's widespread effects, according to Kim Min-sun, a professor of communication at the University of Hawaii, have increased the need for humanoid robots. Grace is being created for this reason. When many people were compelled to stay at home during COVID-19 lockdowns, they had negative thoughts. These factors inspired Hanson Robotics to create Grace, a healthcare robot with a focus on assisting seniors. Grace can utilize AI to diagnose a patient's condition and contains a thermal camera that can take their temperature. Grace will be fully implemented in 2022, and Hanson Robotics plans to mass-produce a beta version of it before then. The world will benefit from social humanoid robots like Grace, according to experts, during the pandemic. The next female humanoid robot is Pediatric Hal. Pediatric Hal is a robot that aids in healthcare, just like Grace. A major manufacturer and retailer of healthcare simulators, Gaumard Scientific created this cutting-edge pediatric patient simulator in order to give medical students and professionals the chance to practice pediatric caregiving. Pediatric Hal, who is dressed in a blue patient suit, was created to serve as a stand-in for actual kids. Pediatric Hal is endowed with a variety of AI-supported abilities, including discernible heartbeat and realistic facial expressions and emotional states. Pediatric Hal, unlike Sophia and Grace, can only react to questions with pre-recorded answers. Pediatric Hal is a powerful patient simulator because it can replicate a wide range of physical ailments and symptoms, including anaphylactic shocks and heart failures. This provides a hands-on setting for practicing pediatric care skills for medical professionals, including nursing students. Surgery can be extremely painful, and healthcare is complicated. Because AI can aid in diagnosis, prevention, and therapy, we must encourage people to use it. Because it considers every aspect of a scenario, including the smallest nuances, AI is able to anticipate the emergence of tract infections. Modern AI-based technologies can assist with radiography, risk assessment, cancer, and chronic illnesses, among other things. doctors can now fully understand a patient's neurological condition thanks to brain-computer interfaces and other innovative technology. These gadgets have the ability to hear brainwaves and translate them into orders that can move people. Additionally, artificial intelligence-enabled MRI, CT, and X-ray equipment produces medical images that provide a non-invasive view of how the human body functions. Numerous tales demonstrate how cutting-edge technology can save lives in perilous circumstances. An Indian dentist began to experience significant chest pain in recent years. He used his smartwatch to perform an ECG and discovered that 99% of his arteries were blocked. If the current healthcare system were quickly replaced with more cost-effective tech-based solutions, many lives may be spared. These products are simple to set up and use because Bluetooth is already incorporated into them. Fitness trackers and smart health watches include some highly helpful, but little-known functions, such as the ability to record and display the wearer's heart rate and rhythm. An immediate distress signal is sent out if the heart rate drastically changes suddenly, either up or down. The Movement Disorders API is a crucial component of smart wearables. It is effective in treating Parkinson's disease patients, thanks to the wide availability of diagnostic instruments that can be utilized with portable diagnostic kits and smartphone apps. Self-diagnosis is now possible without a doctor's assistance. In order to close the healthcare access gap, it is essential to use telemedicine to link urban and rural populations. Telemedicine, according to the World Health Organization, is the practice of sending medical assistance over great distances to areas with little or no access to hospitals. Additionally, the definition states that all healthcare providers in these isolated locations must exchange knowledge about how to recognize and treat illnesses and injuries, as well as how to educate the next generation of medical professionals using information and technology. So, what does the healthcare industry's future hold? Successful healthcare organizations will be able to fundamentally transform their processes and workflows to create an intelligent health system using robotics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. The majority of the largest healthcare organizations are beginning to use AI, which is fantastic news. However, the lengthy process of determining how artificial intelligence may enhance healthcare has only begun. Consequently, it will take some time, but the outcomes will be excellent. More importantly, we can use cutting-edge technology like robotics, artificial intelligence, smart wearables, etc. to close the healthcare gap between urban and rural locations. The most intriguing aspect of AI in healthcare is how it might alter how clinical procedures are carried out. Clinicians can adapt to future trends and the application of AI in the healthcare system by simply realizing the promise of this new technology and accepting the truth of global developments. AI has the potential to be helpful in two key ways: by automating operations and by improving people's abilities. By employing AI to assist doctors and nurses in their work, many tedious activities will be completed much more rapidly, and the standard of patient care can be raised. So that was all about the video. And if you enjoyed today's video, then subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for more updates on robotics making their mark on the world.